Hey, Natalie Birth here. Please go back and read the disclaimer in the last slide. This is a mini profile review for Cat here, who is a diversity, a DEI, and justice consultant. Um, One of the things I really liked about Kat's profile is there's a lot of good information on it, but it could definitely use a bit of a better organization on how that information is being included here. If I were her, I do recommend adding sections like volunteering, doing a better, maybe putting some of this information on projects. And she definitely does not take advantage of the featured section as well as the services section, which I think would do really well for her to highlight exactly what she does for and how she does it, her philosophy, being able to schedule an appointment quickly with her, whatever the deal is, right across the screen right off the bat. She has a ton of, like I said, a ton of great experience on here. One of the things she does really well is she makes sure that she has relatively up to date recommendations. She probably needs to add a couple more recent ones because it's been almost 2 years. One thing that I would recommend doing right off the bat, though, is in her skills section, unless these are her preferred skills, LinkedIn now only allows two the first top two skills show, no matter how many skills you say that you have. So what they do is they only do the top two. So in her case, I would either list the two that she wants to be known for, right? The one that she is featuring the most for her clients, or the ones that have the most endorsements, right? Because she has some in her skills list, if I can show them here, where she has, a lot. There's one that I think she had 73 endorsements, right? So something that strategic communications, if that is something that she wants to do. Um, she seems to have shifted from her early days in the uh, media to doing more DEI stuff. And so maybe OD and culture are her top skills. I'm not the one who gets to make that decision, though. Um, the other thing is that branding, she would do really well with branding, adding more branding elements throughout this to kind of like make it a little bit more consistent throughout. And of course, as you will see me repeat again and again, is to have a business page. I call this in the little dreaded gray box because it doesn't tell me anything and I hate them. But it would be really great to have that because it just gives her an opportunity to constantly be putting herself and her information out there. Even if she doesn't do much with that thing, it just honestly, it just looks better going across the board. So, um, that is about it for more details. Big thank you to Kat for letting me review their profile. And if you would like a quick review of your own profile, let me know in the comments and I'll tag you when I'm able to get it done.